G'day folks, are you or someone you know aqua curious and you want to have a crack at building your own aquaponics system but aren't too sure where to start? Well, if that's you or one of your mates, my beginner's guide to aquaponics will help take out the guesswork of where to start and get you on your way for only $9.95 US. This guide was created using knowledge that I've picked up with my own aquaponics systems, a lot of trial and error, and also things that I've learned helping other people to create their own productive aquaponics systems. This guide is an online interactive tool with over 4 hours of content, all for that reasonable price of only $9.95 US. Now, to purchase one of these guides as a gift, what you have to do is jump on over to the sales page and pop a guide in the cart. From there, you'll be taken to an account setup page if you don't already own a copy of the guide for yourself. And there you just create an account using either your online Google profile or you can use an email. Once your details are filled in and you click the create button, you'll be taken back to the checkout page where you can select this as a gift. From there, you'll be taken to a gift options page where you can add in the email address of the person you'd like to receive the guide, and you can also add in a little bit of a personal message as well if you like. You then click on the save gift options icon and you'll be taken back to the sales page where you can complete your gift purchase. Now, after you purchase the guide, you get 2 free questions that you can ask myself. I'd suggest you don't ask them straight away. I go through the guide when it comes to your build itself, or maybe you're having some issues running an existing system. If you already have a system, hop online then into the guide and then you can ask me a question and I will spend as much time as it takes to help you out. Now, the guide has also been translated into a number of different languages. Not only the subtitles have been transcribed, but you also get a voiceover in Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi and Chinese as well. And if you want to see the guide in action with all these features, all you need to do is click on that little link up there, or you can go to bitsouttheback.com/aquaponics-guide, and there's a video and some more information there if you want to learn a little bit more before you make the purchase. Either that, or you can pop on down to the description and click on the direct link that will take you to Retrieve where you can purchase the guide now. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and jump on over to the bell icon if you haven't done so already, and subscribe for all the future aquaponic content coming to the channel here on YouTube. I would like to thank you all for sticking around until the end here, and I do hope that your aquaponics build goes smoothly, and I will catch you next video. Cheers folks, and happy growing!